Now your Storm Track forecast first, sponsored by Kansas 811.
We saw heavy rain, hail, high winds, and even a few tornadoes earlier this afternoon and evening. Now that is pushing away to the south and east. We still have some clouds up overhead, but the storms are exiting out and should stay out of the area as we head throughout the next several hours. Partly to mostly cloudy. We'll fall through the 60s to the 50s, but how long we stay dry, I'll take a look at that coming up.
Working for you. 27 News starts now.
Westmoreland's a strong community. They will come back from this. They will rebuild, and they're going to be good.
Tornadoes strike down across northeast Kansas, and now many people are picking up the pieces in distraught. We thank you for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Rebecca Chung. Tonight we're continuing our coverage after multiple tornadoes touched down across the area, and tonight we have confirmed one person has died, homes destroyed, and families displaced. We're working for you in all aspects with live team coverage across northeast Kansas, tracking the aftermath from this wide array of severe weather. Now we begin with 27 News anchor David George. He's live in Westmoreland tonight, where Pottawatomie County officials are responding to tonight's storms. David, what are they telling you tonight?
I tell you, Rebecca, it was a massive response to this tornado. It struck at 4:40 this afternoon, just northwest of the brand new courthouse here in Pottawatomie County, ripped right through the northern part of town, hit an RV park, and then went out into open farmland. But immediately after that, everybody came surging in as first responders from Manhattan, also Wamego and St. Mary's, and this town is very grateful of the help they received. Here's what the fire supervisor had to say.
They got here quickly. They did a great job of getting organized, starting to search homes, starting to, we actually had a structure fire break out. They got it on that quickly, got it taken care of. Everybody did a great job, and, it's just a tragic loss.
And so you heard it right there. They are grateful for the help that came rushing into Westmoreland. Sadly, though, one fatality. The identity has not been released just yet. That will likely happen tomorrow morning after notification of next of kin. Also, 3 injuries to report, but thankfully those are non-life-threatening at this time. Now, in the press conference that happened at 8:30 tonight, they said 22 homes destroyed, 13 others with what they're calling moderate damage, and then 1 commercial building also hit, plus the 6 trailers or RVs in that RV park. But it is so sad here tonight. There's going to be a lot of cleanup tomorrow, a lot of hugs, a lot of tears, a lot of cleanup and support, and then they will rebuild. And of course, the things they're grateful for is that it wasn't worse, and also that they will rebuild and be stronger than ever. Reporting live in Westmoreland, working for you, David George, 27 News.
Absolutely tragic. David, thank you so much for that live report. And tonight, families are picking up the pieces after tornadoes ripped through their homes, leaving many displaced. 27 News reporter Jacob Kaufman also on the grounds tonight in Westmoreland. Jake, you spoke with many people whose lives are now changed. What did they tell you?
Yeah, that's right, Rebecca. What was once just a couple hours ago a neighborhood completely filled with people picking up pieces, making sure that their friends, family, neighbors are all okay, is now turned into a ghost town, with the exception of the Kansas Gas Services and Evergy behind me putting some work together. Nobody is out. It is very quiet. But let's start talking about some damage. You can see right here, we have playground equipment completely bent, branches everywhere, trash from all over the place in different places. And then if you want to walk over with me right here, this is pretty fast. The most interesting thing, in my personal opinion, here's a tree right here, but look at all right here, completely uprooted from the ground. You can just see how strong these winds would have to be to pull all of that out. But that's only some of the damage out here in Westmoreland. You can see on your screen now video of other damage and that we have taken throughout the night. We talked to many people, many saying that they weren't even here when this tornado happened, and getting phone calls saying that their house was hit, and including one person who grew up here in Westmoreland, Beverly Harris, and this is what she had to say.
I just really feel for the entire town. I grew up here. These are our neighbors, these are our family.
Now, Beverly Harris does no longer live here in Westmoreland, but right behind me, this was her childhood home, her mother's home, and they ended up coming back. Beverly was telling me her mother currently living in a nursing home, but so grateful that she wasn't here, tearing up, telling me because if she was, she would more than likely no longer be with them. Beverly, along with many other people here in the neighborhood, packing things up, putting them in their car, going someplace else. Many of the people that have told me they do have a place to go for the night, so they're very thankful for that regard. Working for you live in Westmoreland, Jacob Kaufman, 27 News.
A lot of damage, a lot of devastation in Westmoreland tonight. Jacob, thank you. And tonight, Potawatomi County officials have created a temporary shelter for anyone displaced from these storms in Westmoreland. This is at Rock Creek High School in St. George, and that address is on your screen right now. It is open to anyone who needs a place to stay who currently don't have a home. The Red Cross will also be at the school to help those impacted from the storm, and crews will be providing meals, snacks, and water. The Red Cross will be able to share more information about the disaster-related relief for anyone in need. And thousands of people are still without power. According to Evergy, about 2,500 homes are currently without power. That includes all of Westmoreland and parts of Topeka, and an Evergy spokeswoman we spoke to tells us that customers in the Topeka area can expect restoration over the next several hours. But the outage in Westmoreland could last a lot longer. They'll know more after crews get a good look in the daylight tomorrow morning. And also tonight, more than 500 Free State Co-op customers in Jackson County are without power. Well, after an active afternoon, we have several photos and videos of the tornadoes that came in. Storm Track meteorologist Eli Millard is in studio to go over those. Eli?
Yeah, that's right. We've seen plenty of videos and photos being sent into the area, and we've got plenty to go through here. So let's go ahead and start off with our first videos. It was in Potawatomi County, submitted by Linda Chambers. You can see off in the distance a little bit of that lowering there, really right along the horizon. But if we go to our next video, you can really start to see that tornado that was on the ground. If we can go ahead and go to that next video that we had right here. So this is our video that was sent in from Candy Fitz Dietz. This is also in Potawatomi County, so you can see a much better shot of that during the daylight. We had the daylight working for us, able to see this tornado before later on we saw some of those tornadoes in the storm get rain wrapped a little bit. But there's that tornado now, seeing that's on the ground there, the little bit of the kick of that dirt that we're seeing at the base of that tornado. But our next video is from our own digital reporter, 27 News digital reporter Coulter Robinson shot this video at Topeka Boulevard and 13th. That's looking towards the north and west. Now, nothing on the ground and nothing confirmed on the ground with this area of this storm, but this was just looking northwest of town, a lowering there. And now we've got plenty of photos sent in, especially damage in Westmoreland. This was sent in by JT Vander Gilder. So that's the damage and some extensive damage that we've seen already in Westmoreland. Here's another photo of that tornado in Potawatomi County from Candace Fitch Dietz as well. And plenty of photos, and this is from Jeffrey Energy Center from Kenneth Horace. And you can really see at the bottom of that tornado, you can see it is on the ground at that point, snaking down from the sky. And then this is from our own 27 News photographer, Jared Long. That is whenever that storm, the tornado warning was just on the northern sides of Topeka. And then another photo from the system that was north of Manhattan. Now everything passed to the north of Manhattan, but this photo from Frank Tortella shows that tornado just on the northern sides moving through Potawatomi County. But Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller has a view of all the storm reports across northeast Kansas.
Yeah, and there was quite a few of them. Obviously, we've been focusing a lot on that particular one right there, the Westmoreland tornado, for good reason. But that wasn't the only tornado that we had. We also had another tornado damaged a home with a family that was inside at the time. We got word from emergency management in Nemaha County that southwest of the Centralia area, there was that damage, but the family was all right. And that's the good side of things. Rebuilding will have to be done, though, with some damage there. Had a lot of hail reports as well. Had the funnel cloud around Silver Lake, had a tornado touchdown just north of Grantville, a little bit of some damage there, a little bit of wind damage in a larger portion of that area. We'll see whether or not closer to Williamstown, if there was another tornado touchdown. We got a report of that. Certainly looked like it would have on radar as well. So between the hail and the wind, a lot of damage there, but all those storms have moved out to the south and east now. And with those storms moving away, it really seems to be working things over in such a way that we may may not get a repeat of thunderstorms again tomorrow. The outlook right now shows the greatest risk of severe weather farther to the southwest, but the slight risk area comes up to our western counties. Would not surprise me, though, if we end up seeing our western counties removed from the risk area for tomorrow, as conditions may not come together, and I think we'll be fine with that. Hopefully, though, we'll see the severe weather stay out of our area for your Wednesday. We're going to be watching that closely. There's still a chance for showers and storms, but shouldn't be a repeat of what we went through today. I'll talk more about what you can expect in the days ahead, still to come.
All right, Matt, thank you. We'll check back in later. A tornado warning issued in Topeka stirred quite the scene at the Capitol. Lawmakers rushing to shelter. Some also surveyed the clouds forming outside. Strong winds knocked down some trees in the downtown area as well, but the damage wasn't nearly as bad as what happened in the town of Westmoreland, just an hour away. Now, we spoke with a state representative for that district about the aftermath.
I think we have great people in Potawatomi County, and we've gone through some difficulties over the years, but I think everybody's there to support each other, and we will do whatever it takes to rebuild and help those affected get back to a regular life as soon as possible. So stay encouraged, and we'll certainly do everything we can to help.
Now, we're also continuing to track damage in the Shawnee County area, and that's where we find Glenn Kinley live tonight. He is live off Highway 24 near Topeka Boulevard, where one family had a scary experience just before taking shelter. Glenn, tell us about what you saw and what they told you.
Rebecca, yeah, I'm off Highway 24 here, just across the highway from the KC's, just on the other side of Topeka Boulevard for a locator for you. But it's the trailer park behind me here on the north side of the highway, where one woman tells me that a tree branch fell right on their home just as they were exiting, going to take shelter. In fact, it split their home in half. Demi Booth is who I talked to, and she told me that they were getting ready to leave the house to go to what is a shared community shelter here in their neighborhood. And that's when, not the whole tree, but certainly a significant branch and a good chunk of the tree that hangs right above their house fell right down. And she says it just snapped and divided their home in two and landed, quite frankly, feet away from her younger brother, forcing them to exit the home elsewhere. They did get out of the home safely. They did get to shelter safely, and everyone's okay now, but certainly a scary moment for everyone involved.
I'm still trying to gather my thoughts, honestly. It's just quite a bit to, go through and almost watch your baby brother be hit by the tree, because I wouldn't have left that trailer without him. If I would have stayed right there next to his side, I wouldn't have left. That is my little brother, and that's the one person I'd do anything for them kids. My thought process was to make sure that he was safe, and then once we got safe, it was panic.
She says they do have a place where they've already worked out to stay in the meantime while figuring out what to do with their home. And now just east of here, you're going to see some video on your screen. This is in the town of Grantville, and this was a couple hours ago when I shot this video. There was talk of some major damage there, but residents told me everyone there is okay as well. You'll see a couple big trees ripped right out of the ground, but everyone I talked to said besides that damage, there wasn't a whole lot else, just a handful of trees that you're seeing at, certainly a lot of branches in the road. One person in Grantville did tell me that they noticed the winds were even heavier. It was somewhat calm in their neighborhood near the church, but the winds were even heavier across the highway and not far away. Perhaps maybe it could have been worse where they were at, and it maybe just missed them, but certainly glad that everyone in this area and everyone that we talked to today here in Shawnee County is okay, is safe, and is with their loved ones. Working for you live in Topeka, Glenn Kinley, 27 News.
Absolutely scary scene, Glenn. Thank you. And all day we've been working for you as these storms hit. So if you haven't already downloaded our free 27 News app to make sure you can get the latest updates from our Storm Track weather team when the next storm hits. A motor sports park in the capital city might be the victim of foreclosure. What the county says it might have to do if taxes aren't paid. And health officials now investigating ground beef for bird flu. Coming up, what testing is being done to ensure the safety of Americans.